Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. And if you want to apply a custom field on QuickBooks for your business or managing your business or employment or your sales or expenses, then this video is for you. So first thing you have to do is log into your QuickBooks account. So once you are on your QuickBooks account, the dashboard will look like this. Now from here at the top right corner, you can find a gear icon that is actually the settings. So when you have click on it, you can find the list. So in this list section, you can find the custom fields where you can simply click on it and you will be able to create a custom fields from here. So first you have to click on add custom fields if you don't added it any field yet. Now from here you can find a tutorial video that you can see how it works. Now from here you can add a custom fields, like add a name from here. For example, I'm going to add like employees, or it's actually have added here. So for example, checkouts, I'm going to add a checkout section. This is for example here. Now the data type, you can select data like text or number, and number, a date here. So a drop down list, so I'm going to select only number from here. Now you can do is select, you have to select the category that it is under the customer category. Then select forms like here, so you can find forms like sales receipt here, invoice, I'm going to select this here, and the bill here, and purchase order. Also this checkout will go with this option here. Now simply click on save. So once I have saved it, it will show you this custom fields from here, where you can find the edit option, where you can easily edit option, and you can make it inactive by simply click on this from here. So in this customer section here, so you can find the customers, where you can find all the details about your customers here. And in this custom field, let me show you. If I go to the custom fields, I'll get back to this. Then if I find this here, you can find this custom fields here. You can add more custom fields if you want. So you can add more details, name, categories here. You can check each and everything from here. So you can simply click on edit to edit your custom fields from here, and it is pretty easy. So that's how you can just do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.